So, hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cappies. Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 11 till the 18th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love Course 2, links are given below in the description box. So, let's start. Okay, Cappies. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have, honey. We have the Page of Pentacles. I'm getting this card a lot today. What's happening? There's a energy of brand new beginnings in the air or something. Someone around you is feeling like maybe keeping things as casual kind of energy, and or somebody's feeling like having a clean slate, fresh start kind of energy. Let's clarify. It's just a start, just normal, simple start. Hi, hello kind of energy. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles. We have the Page of Wands and the Tower and the Queen, High Priestess. Okay, basically somebody is feeling like breaking the silence here between you and them, letting go of the no contact, maybe no communication, and or this person is kind of tired of being in this where we are and what's happening. So for some of you, some kind of breakup or separation or something like that happened. Now this person is feeling like opening up the gates of communication and starting from a friendship kind of a deal, open to the idea of friendship, open to the idea of reconnecting with you just as a friend. Hmm? This is what this person is feeling right now. Just give me a second. Hello. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? We have the Strength card. Okay, so it's like you feel like keeping your energies to yourself and taming your inner lion, meaning having the strength and the courage to not to go in a particular direction, even if you feel very strongly this energy of, okay, let's do something about it. You want to hold on to this, hold on to your, what we call that. Okay, I'm not getting the exact word. Anyways, let me clarify the Strength card here, honey. We have the Six of Pentacles, the King of Wands, and the Seven of Wands. Yeah, you feel like you should balance it out within yourself, and you should stop this urge and the desire to go in a particular direction and or do something about a situation. You should take a stand for yourself and stand your grounds. And that's why you feel like, okay, you should balance it out within yourself, and you should make peace with whatever is happening and stand with the truth. Stand with the truth of the situation, reality of the situation. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Nine of Wands. See, their intention here is to keep their guards up. This person doesn't want to open up to you fully or fully expressive or fully vulnerable in front of you because they are hurt. They want to keep their guards up. Okay. Let me clarify the Nine of Wands. They also want to stand their ground. I don't know what happened. They're like, I am like right here. You are like, I am right here. Both of you are stuck on this energy of I am right and I am right. Nobody's thinking about the connection as a collective energy. Okay. Yeah, this person wants to open up to you. They definitely want to let go of this mind games, let go of this trapped energies of we're thinking and thinking and overthinking, and bring some justice and karma on the table. Wow. I don't say this person wants you to like taste the taste of your own medicine or something. No, but they definitely want to come forward with this kind of energy of, okay, let's do it in a right manner, in a right way, in a justice kind of manner, in a balanced kind of manner. So this person wants to come forward and reconnect, but they don't want to open up fully. But they don't. But they do want to do justice here in the situation in some way. I don't know what that means. You know better than me. This is what I'm getting. I'm just reading the cards here for you guys. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Knight of Swords. You just want to You just don't want to face the situation right now. It's like you just want to run away as far as you can from something here. Like, no, not ready. I won't. Nah, nah, nah. Okay. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords here. We have the Five of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles. Yeah. You're so hurt and you felt like you felt deeply left out in the cold. You just want to be in a very stable, grounded and mature kind of energy within yourself. You don't want to face this person or this situation right now. At least you're not ready. You're like, okay, I will think about it. I will see what I can do about it, but not right now. Give me my time, give me my space, and then I'll do it whenever I feel like I'm ready to do it. Right now I'm busy stabilizing my own energies. So whenever a Capricorn is hurt, or whenever they are kind of not in the great mindset, they like put all of their focus and energy on their work. So that's what you are trying to do here. Typical Capricorn energy of, let me do my work, I will think about it when I'm going to be ready. Okay, gotcha. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 18th of May, honey. Cappies. We have the Seven of Swords. Okay, let me clarify the Seven of Swords before I'm going to say anything here. There's a sense of breakup, separation. There's a sense of trying to figure out what you should do and what you should not do, but taking a stand, trying to balance your energies within yourself. The other person, other energies ready to break the walls and start it with you, but they want to do it in a manner where everything is going to be like very balanced. Okay, it's like somebody wants to come forward towards you with the ultimate truth, ultimate clarity, and sort it out with you in a very mature and grounded kind of a way. Somebody is not here to play games anymore. They are hoping for some kind of message communication and genuine communication, apology kind of deal between you and them, and to have a very stable connection between you and them in a positive way. In a like, okay, let's sort it out. Let's be mature and adults about it. Let's talk about it, and let's have, maybe a proper closure, or maybe start from the scratch. Depends on both the energies. So somebody here is wishing and hoping for this energy of coming forward and stabilizing the situation between you and them, and they want to come forward towards you with a lot of genuine energies. No games, no ifs and buts, no deceptive energies. Genuine energies. Okay, so somebody's kind of facing their shadow side where they were continuously living in some kind of fear, not being able to accept that they can also do that. Okay, and want to face it now. Good, good. For you, the guidance here is Ten of Swords. Yes, you are feeling betrayed. Yes, you have gone through a lot because of this situation, but the worst is over, Capricorn. Whatever was supposed to happen, it already happened, or it's about to happen, and you can sense it. But you have to see the light at the end of the tunnel. You have to understand the positives coming out of this negative situation, so that you can understand what you should do and what you should not do in the next chapter, with or without this person. There's it's not like it's not about the other person. Never. It's never about the other person. It's always about you, what you are getting out of a situation, what you are giving in the situation, and are you getting what you really want. It's always a free will kind of a deal. It's always a judgment kind of a deal. Like, if you are ready to evolve, or if you are ready to settle for less than what you deserve, and or if you are ready to sulk or cry, or if you are ready to let go and be in your own self-worth. It's all about you all the time. Okay, that's the thing. So choose wisely. Whatever lesson, blessings, whatever you are getting out of the situation, you have to talk to yourself very, very honestly, whether you want to deal with this situation ever in this lifetime or not, whether you want to take more time or you want to deal with it. That's completely up to you, but understand that you have to see the light at the end of the tunnel and figure out a way to come out of this. Until unless you're going to deal it with properly, you will not be able to come out of it. Right now, you're not ready. At least energetically, you're telling me no. Physically, you might end up doing it and it's going to be a disaster again. So anyways, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.